Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are safe. Today, I am Manasvi of Class Plus 1 from Springdale Senior Secondary Public School, Ludhiana. So, as you all know that people are very much conscious about their health and their diet. So, to keep that in my mind, I have decided to make sprout salad, which is very much tasty, delicious, and healthy for our health. So, let's make.
Firstly, I wanted to let you know that how we will make sprouts. Firstly, take empty bowl, put 1 glass of water in it and pour black chickpeas and green gram dal in this and let it be in this for 2 to 3 days. So, here is ingredients. We need sprouts, black chickpeas and some veggies according to your taste, but I have taken tomato, onion, cucumber and some green chilies. Now in sprouts we will add black chickpeas, now we will add veggies. You can add boiled potatoes according to your taste, but I have not taken. After adding veggies, we will add some salts or spices. Firstly, we will add some salt as per your taste. After adding salt, we will add little bit red chili powder to this. Now, we will add some chaat masala to this. Now, we will add some lemon juice in this. Now our delicious sprout salad is ready. Salts or spices. Firstly, we will add some salt as per your taste. After adding salt, we will add little bit red chili powder to this. Now we will add some chaat masala to this. Now we will add some lemon juice in this. Now our delicious sprout salad is ready.